Hello, Dale here, co-founder of Mobimag, and in this video I'm going to show you how to design an ad using Canva. So if you've watched the previous videos that I've made about Canva, how to design a front cover, how to design the internal pages, you're going to use the same principles. So when it comes to your ad, it obviously depends on how much content you have in terms of the size canvas that you would go for. Again, when you're designing for Mobimag, you always design 400 pixels wide, and the height would probably be a minimum of 800, but it could be up to 5,000 depending on how much content you actually have. So in this case, I'm just going to make it 1,000, and you can always crop it if you need. So here I click on create new design. Now, if I'm designing an ad, you can design the whole thing from scratch by uploading logos. You can also upload images as well. You can then put in shapes and different design elements. You can also put in text, of course. You can add certain styles in. So if you watch some of the Canva training videos, you'll be able to design your ad from scratch. However, Canva also has thousands of pre-built templates. Now, some of these templates here, it already finds templates that are a similar dimension to the canvas space that we have here, which is kind of really handy. So you might see a particular element or a particular template over here that you quite like, and you can then pull that template in. Say for example you wanted to do an ad here, and we've actually got this one here. It's free. There's some free, some that are paid, but if I wanted to use this one, all I would do is I click on it, and then that will then pop into my canvas, and it automatically resizes as well. And so then all I can do is basically edit the text, and then once I'm finished, I go download as PDF print, and we basically have an ad. Okay, so it's that simple if you want to use an existing template. Okay, so I'm just going to show you that again. You find a template that you like over here, and you just basically click on it. It'll pop in there like so, and then it will do its best to resize. Now, if it hasn't resized exactly, then you just need to basically do a bit of the work, and you'll just go over here and sort of resize that. If you want to make things bigger, you just go over here, resize things. If you want to make text bigger as well, you should already know how to do that now. If you want to make graphics image bigger as well, you just click on the edges and you can then drag them. If you want to change images, if you have your own products, you just then upload those and drag them in there as well. And once you're finished, again, you click on download, and then you download the PDF. Okay, so this is basically how you're going to design your ads by using templates. There's also some quite good templates here. If you type in the word flyer, you'll see that it actually does its best to find flyers that are of a similar dimension over here. So it's finding lots of different flyers here. If you can find one that roughly has the amount of content that you want for your ad, what you will then do is you will then find it and just click on it, and it just pops right in. And then from there, you just resize the content. Remember, you are designing for mobile, and so you do need to make sure that we normally recommend a single column layout. This is a double column layout, which is why this one may not work. I'm going to try and look for ones that are a single column layout, which is much easier to read on a smartphone. So just scrolling now to try and find something that is going to work. So this one here should work. So I'm popping that in, and that's now resized. And so what I can do is, if I want, I can start to sort of move some of this text up a little bit, and I can just edit the text, and I can move all the elements around to suit my particular specific needs. If I want to put in photos and images, I can. But this is just how I've used a template, and now I'm just going to modify that to turn it into an ad. And when I finish, I then click on download, and we're downloading it as PDF print or PDF standard. Both of them will work just fine. Click on that, and then do not select crop and bleed. Click on download, wait a few seconds, and you'll see that you now have your ad, and this ad is a PDF that you can then upload into Mobimag. So that is a very short tutorial about how to design an ad using Canva. Have fun.